In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add SKU to Shopify. An SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit, is a unique code you assign to a product so you can track it more easily. It is especially helpful for inventory management, order fulfillment, and reporting because it lets you quickly identify exactly which item was sold or needs to be restocked. Shopify gives you a dedicated field for SKUs, and updating it only takes a moment. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin. From the main admin menu, go to Products. This is where Shopify lists everything you sell, including individual items and any products that may have different options. Next, find the product you want to add an SKU to, and click directly on the product name to open its details page. Make sure you are selecting the exact product you intend to edit, since any change you make here will apply to that item. Once you are on the product page, scroll down until you see the Inventory section. This area contains information related to tracking stock, including the SKU field you need. Take your time as you scroll, because product pages can include several sections like description, pricing, and shipping, and the layout may vary depending on your screen size. In the Inventory section, locate the field labeled SKU, which may also appear as SKU Stock Keeping Unit. Click into that field, then type or paste the code you want to use. For best results, use a consistent format across your store, such as including a short product identifier and a simple variation code if needed. Also, double-check for accidental spaces or typos, since even a small mistake can make searching and tracking less accurate. When you are finished entering the SKU, click Save to apply the change. Wait a moment to confirm the save completes, so you know the SKU is stored correctly. That covers everything you need to know.